Hello, I'm Victoria from Renaissance Capital, and I'm here to walk you through the dashboard on IPO Pro. This is the main landing page once you log into the platform. You can use this as your home base to access every other part of the site. So you'll see up here we have our IPO market indicator. On our top left we have the commentary section, which will give you a little preview of our most recent news stories. Our scheduled IPOs section, and this will drop down so you can see every scheduled IPO, especially if it's a busy 2 weeks. This is the master calendar, which links over to a big calendar of the month showing you all IPO events. Over here we have IPOs on the move, so these are the top 5 and bottom 5 IPOs of the day, week, or month by percent change. Over here is the IPO poll, so you can go here and you can vote on what you think first day performance will be for IPOs scheduled for the week. Recently priced, this links over to our priced page showing you all of the IPOs recently priced. The My Favorites section over here, these are a quick display of all the IPOs you've favorited. So these little stars show you whether or not you favorited an IPO. You can favorite them from anywhere on the site and they will show up on your dashboard. Over here we have the most viewed IPO profiles, so you can see what other users are interested in. And these are recent filings. So this also drops down, and you can click over here to see a whole list of all the IPOs that have recently filed. We also have a featured research report from our institutional IPO platform, IPO Intelligence. IPO market reviews, we publish these usually quarterly and sometimes special reports. So when we post these, they'll be in the stats section and they will also be right here on your dashboard. These are just some general IPO market stats. And this is a feed of the US IPO index, which will give you a good indication of how the market's doing. All right, that is it for the dashboard. I hope you enjoy using IPO Pro.